Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. For today's show we have 4 segments full of the funniest scare cams, and we would like to start with a new one on this channel. So let's waste no more time and start with the car horn pranks. Let's check them out.
Buddy! Oh, you wee yeah. Yeah, shut up from shut up! You're not.
Fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god.
I think he might have forgot his truck was still on.
Hey!
Wait for it.
You thought you could scare me.
Pass me my mask.
You didn't. Huh?
My mask.
What is your mask?
It's on your other side.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, violent today.
What are you doing?
Oh, my God! Christ! Ride a horn! Ride a horn!
My favourite was for sure the girl hidden in the trunk of her car, scaring another girl with their supermarket purchases. Definitely, the car horn pranks are really funny. If you guys like this segment, we have another one like this in our second channel. The link will be in the description down below. Now guys, for our next segment, we have the roommate scare cams. Let's check them out.
Seriously?
Kill you. You almost got punched. Be careful doing that.
Oh, you
Jesus, what are you doing?
Jesus! Oh my god, that scared me.
All of you. I don't even know y'all.
Holy Oh, yeah. Holy.
Oh my god.
Is that recording?
It's so funny to see how roommates prank each other. I love the trust they have between them to feel so comfortable to make such funny jokes. Guys, don't forget to comment down below which one was your favourite. Remember that we are always reading your opinions because it makes us improve our work for all of you. Well, let's continue with the next segment, the scaring their parents pranks. Let's check them out.
Jesus Christ! Oh!
Oh, Jesus Christ, don't do that.
I've got to get back to
Huh?
Hey gosh, you son of a
He's only got...
For you, Aunt Bridget.
Scare him.
اسم الصليب يبعث لك فزر يلعب.
Scare him.
Stupid twat! Jesus Christ! Oh yeah!
What? Louis, really? I'm having a drink, man.
Definitely one of my favourite ones was the mum in her room, sitting on her bed, and also the bald man in the kitchen. Those videos were too good. I hope that you are enjoying them too. Well guys, now to finish today's show, we have our last segment, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Molly!
Oh, my neck!
Where? You know I'm really tea in your bend.
Ow! Thought you were brushing their teeth.
Woo!
Okay, let me wipe. Allah.
You alright?
Thanks for making sure.
You're in there as well.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The guy.
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, please leave a like as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description of the video. Have a great day.